Hello, hello, welcome to all my dear students. This is Rahul Vakte from the Applied Mechanics Department of our college, Anuradha Engineering College, Chithli. This is our first introductory lecture after the 2 to 3 months break, and we are all familiar with the e-learning. That means in last 2 to 3 months, we already known about the e-learning, then material required for the e-learning, and the effects of the e-learning. That means most of the sessions you have already attended on the Zoom app or Google Meet, and different types of quizzes and competitions are arranged by the various colleges, and we are already successfully admitted for that and getting and certificates from the institutes. Okay, now this is our first introductory lecture regarding the mechanics of material. That is the subject of the second year mechanical engineering department. Okay, first I would like to first of all congratulate to all the students who are successfully enrolled for the second year. Now this is our first lecture, which consists of the basic introduction regarding the subject mechanics of material. As you see in my the screen sharing consists of the mechanics of material. आता त्यामध्ये मेकॅनिक्स ऑफ मटेरियल ची जी तुम्हाला स्क्रीन शेअरिंग मी केलेली आहे ऑलरेडी तुम्हाला दिसत आहे. त्यामध्ये आपण एक सिलेबस आणि एक टीचिंग स्कीम जी आहे ती डिस्कस करणार आहे आज. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर गोइंग दिस or for proceeding the lecture, first of all we have to you have already known about the mechanics in the first year. Okay, this is actually the subject of the mechanics. That means mechanics is the parental subject of the mechanics of material. Okay, engineering mechanics जो फर्स्ट इयर मध्ये तुम्ही पाहिला होता तो ऍक्च्युअली पॅरेंटल सब्जेक्ट आहे मेकॅनिक्स ऑफ मटेरियल मॉमचा किंवा सॉमचा. सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंग असेल किंवा केमिकल इंजिनिअरिंग असेल तर त्यांना सॉम हा सब्जेक्ट असतो. तुम्हाला मॉम आहे ॲज यू आर कन्सिडर द मेकॅनिक्स ऑफ मटेरियल बिकॉज यू आर फ्रॉम द मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग ब्रांच. सो दॅट इज द नेम ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट इज मेकॅनिक्स ऑफ मटेरियल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल see this basic. First of all we have to know listen here this is the tree diagram which shows the branches of the engineering mechanics. Okay, actually this part is already covered in our first year. Okay, याचा हेतू असा आहे इथे देण्याचा की यामध्ये अप्लाइड सॉलिड मेकॅनिक्स आहे. सॉलिड मेकॅनिक्सचे दोन टाइप आहेत. एक आहे रिजिड बॉडी मेकॅनिक्स and second one is the deformable body mechanics. So this strength of material or MOM is comes under the deformable body mechanics. Okay, that means it is the subject related with, or this is subject whose basic is the engineering mechanics which you have already known or you have already learned in the first year. Okay, so that's why the slides on the screen you're seeing here the tree diagram which shows the branches of engineering mechanics, mechanics of rigid body and mechanics of deformable body. And previously we already seen the two types of the rigid body mechanics, that is statics and dynamics. Okay, this subject was over, so kindly we have to concentrate on the strength of material or mechanics of material which comes under the mechanics of deformable body. Okay, so that's why हा ट्री डायग्राम दाखवायचा माझा तोच उद्देश होता तुम्हाला. Listen now here already see this is the syllabus regarding the मेकॅनिक्स ऑफ मटेरियल. ओके, आपण आज ओव्हरऑल सिलेबस नाही बघायचा आहे, तुम्हाला मी थोडीशी इंट्रोडक्शन देणार आहे नेमकं याच्यामध्ये काय. तर मेकॅनिक्स in the mechanics, first of all, we have seen the force, concept of force, different types of forces. Okay, thereafter the reactions, beams. Okay, loading, types of beams, types of reactions. Okay, these basic, which as already learned by you in the first year, is required here. So first of all, the truth is here we required the first year basic most probably. Okay, because without that we are not able to understand the things. Okay, first of all, see here, first unit. In the first unit, different types of mechanical properties of the section, various types of sections, various types of rods, various types of materials. As we know, this topic is, or this subject is related with material, so we have to totally, we are dealing with the materials. Okay, then the types of material, chemical properties of the material, physical properties of the material, the behavior of material under the load, behavior of the material under the various types of conditions, that is loading. And in that loading there is several types, that is the axial loading, biaxial loading, triaxial loading. Thereafter eccentric loading is also there. So this comes under the first unit. The first unit is nothing but the इलेस्टिसिटी. इलेस्टिसिटी तुमचं ऑलरेडी झालेलं आहे. इलेस्टिसिटीमध्ये तुम्ही जे टर्म्स पाहिल्या होत्या त्याच टर्म्स आहेत, फक्त थोडंसं इथे ॲडव्हान्स आहे. यू ऑलरेडी लर्न दिस इन 12th, that is elasticity. Now this first unit is totally related with elasticity and properties of the material. So here the main is the stress strain, which is already known. Quite the definitions are known still. बाकीचा टॉपिक तो तुम्हाला नसेल कळलं, विसरला असाल तुम्ही, हा टॉपिक तुम्हाला माहित आहे. सो यामध्ये बघा, पहिल्या युनिटमध्ये फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फर्स्ट युनिट टोटली कन्सिस्ट ऑफ द इलास्टिसिटी. देअर आफ्टर द सेकंड युनिट इज नथिंग बट द टोटली रिलेटेड विथ द शियर फोर्स अँड बेंडिंग मोमेंट. अँड फॉर दॅट द सेकंड युनिट, first of all, the basic part of the reactions, beams, types of beams, is assumed to be known by you, is assumed to be known by us. Okay, because the basic of that, the second unit, is already covered in our first year, that is mechanics. That's why we told you that first of all, clear your basic, clear your short and short definitions, clear your short and short concepts. Okay, because these concepts are more useful. Because in suppose considering the second unit terms are quite different, but if your basic is good, or your basic is still so and so, then you are able to learn the things, or you are able to learn the concepts very easily as compared to the fresh one. Okay, so second unit is also there. Second unit consists of the shear force and bending moment. Thereafter the bending theory, pure bending theory is there. This also requires the your CGMI topic, that is we have already covered in the first year, center of gravity and moment of inertia. Okay, third one is you have seen on screen the torsion, twisting effect, torsional movement. Okay, this topic is quite new for you. When you are starting the unit 3, then you will get all the ideas about that topic. Okay, in that shear stress distribution is also there. This is about the 3 units. First unit totally is related with the elasticity. Second unit is totally related with the force, shear force and bending moment, and which requires the basic, which are already covered in your first year. In the topic of the first unit, that is a support reaction. In that support reaction, the different types of beams are seen. Thereafter, different types of loading, different types of joints are there. Then how many support reaction, how many reactions on a particular joint. So this type of topic is assumed to be known to you. Is assumed. Okay. So first of all, आता बघा, यामध्ये जायच्या अगोदर सुरुवातीला द बेसिक कन्वर्शन फॅक्टर्स जे आहेत, बेसिक कन्वर्शन फॅक्टर्स आर मस्ट नोन टू यू. द बेसिक कन्वर्शन फॅक्टर मीन्स किलो, हेक्टो, नॅनो, गिगा, मिली, मीटर. This type of conversion factors are very important. Okay, this about the introduction of the mechanics of material. So first of all, your duty is to go your previous textbooks, previous notes of the first year mechanics, go through the first page, and first of all the basic conversion factors, basic first unit regarding the force, concept of force is you have to read, or unless you have to recall that. If you are having the notes and you have to recall that, then you will able to understand this topic very easily. Otherwise you are getting quite problem in the concept. Okay, thereafter मी आहेच तिथे तुम्हाला समजवायला, पण तुम्हाला जर जास्त समजायचं असेल तर त्यासाठी तुमचा बेसिक जो आहे तो क्लिअर लागेल. आणि एक सांगायचं ही गोष्ट म्हणजे आपल्याला एक याच्यामध्ये ई मटेरियल प्रोव्हाइड करणार आहे मी गुगल क्लासरूममध्ये. तुमच्या गुगल क्लासरूममध्ये ऑलरेडी मी तुम्हाला सिलेबस अँड टीचिंग स्कीम पाठवलेली आहे. मोर ओव्हर देअर इज अ ई कंटेंट्स रिगार्डिंग द ई बुक्स ऑफ द सॉन्ग, दॅट इज आर के बन्सल, टिमोशेन्को. दिस टाइप ऑफ बुक्स are already sent to you to the Google Classroom material. So you have to take the view of the Google Classroom, and you are getting the mail of the Google Classroom for attending the lectures. And different types of materials are posted day by day on the Google Classroom. So your duty to get the material, or your duty to being with touch in that Google Classroom. Different types of assignments are there, different types of videos are there. Okay, so for the first introductory part, it's much more. I think तुम्ही जास्त टेन्शन मध्ये नको यायला. ओके, तुम्हाला बेसिक मी जे सांगितले ते तुम्हाला करावंच लागेल. ते बेसिक मध्ये काय काय आलं तुम्हाला कळलं असेल. त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आलेला आहे आपला कन्व्हर्शन फॅक्टर. सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. फर्स्ट युनिटमध्ये कन्व्हर्शन फॅक्टर न आल्यामुळे मुलांचे 7-7, 8-8 मार्क्स कट होत आहेत. मुलांना किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वेअरचं न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वेअर मध्ये कन्वर्ट करता येत नाही. इवन दो बाकीचे टॉपिक्स त्यांना जरी येतात तरी त्यांना कन्व्हर्शन फॅक्टर्स मध्ये त्यांची बोंब नसते. त्यामुळे तो फॉल्ट तुम्हाला येऊ नये त्यासाठी तुमचं बेसिक आधीच तयार करून ठेवा. सो तुम्हाला आता एक काम करायचं आहे, मेकॅनिक्सचं रजिस्टर घ्यायचं आहे जुनं तुमचं, तुमच्याकडे नसेल तर कोणाकडून घ्या. सो रिकॉल ऑल दी कन्सेप्ट. You have to recall all the concepts regarding the engineering mechanics, preferably first unit, second unit of the truss, then CGMI, center of gravity and moment of inertia. Okay, thereafter you are able to sit in the lecture. Okay, that means in our Google Classroom, because first of all, to understand any type of concept you have to familiar with the basic of that. You are familiar with basic behind that concept. Okay, unless and until you are not able to being a good grasper during the session, any type of session is there. Okay, thank you. We contact काही असेल तर मला मेल करा, फोन करा, मेसेज करा. I will be for you every time. Thank you very much.